Imagine a young person, having faced incredible challenges, finally sees a path to safety and a brighter future here in the United States. It is a journey filled with hope, but often with complex requirements. One of the most important questions for these vulnerable youth is whether they still qualify for critical protections as they grow older. Yes, there are indeed age limits for Special Immigrant Juvenile Status eligibility. Generally, to be considered for this immigration benefit, you must be under 21 years old when the federal immigration petition is filed. However, there is another important age consideration related to the initial state court order, which usually requires the individual to be under 18 years old. The reason for these dual age limits stems from the unique structure of Special Immigrant Juvenile Status, often referred to as SIJS. It is a two-step process involving both state and federal law. First, a state court must make a finding that the child is dependent on the court, or has been committed to, or placed in the custody of a state agency or an individual appointed by the court. Crucially, the state court must also determine that reunification with one or both parents is not possible due to abuse, neglect, abandonment, or a similar basis. State laws vary, but most states define a child for these purposes as someone under 18 years of age. Once the state court issues this necessary order, which is sometimes called a predicate order, the individual can then apply for the federal SIJS immigration benefit with United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS for this federal step. The law specifies that the applicant must generally be under 21 years old when their Form I-360, petition for amerasian, widow or widower, or special immigrant, is properly filed. This means that even if a young person turns 18 and is still under state court jurisdiction, they typically have until their 21st birthday to file that federal petition. Understanding these age cutoffs is paramount. If you or someone you know might be eligible for SIJS and is approaching either the state court age limit or the federal filing age limit, it is absolutely vital to consult with an experienced immigration attorney immediately. They can help navigate the specific requirements of your state and ensure all necessary paperwork is filed correctly and on time, helping to protect that crucial window of eligibility. This dual age requirement ensures that the immigration system aligns with state-level child welfare protections, providing a safety net for those who truly need it. By securing the predicate order in state court and then promptly filing the federal petition, young people can transition from vulnerability to a path toward lawful permanent residency, providing them with stability and security as they build their lives in the United States. Acting quickly is key to unlocking this life-changing opportunity.